Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to create all these AI trending videos like this, all this kind of video. I'm going to show you how to create it for free. So, and if today is your first time visiting my channel Bizyjoe.com, please do it to hit the subscription button and share our video with your friends. So what you need to do first and foremost, come to your browser, whether you're on mobile or laptop, search for bing.com. So let's search for bing.com. So as you can see, I'm on bing.com. This is Bing search engine. So I will search for Bing. So I'll search for Bing AI image creator, generator. Anyone you search, you are going to get that. So I'm going to click on this first image generator from Microsoft Designer. So they also have, I think there are they have other ones, but this is the particular one that I need. This is the particular one that I'm looking for. So I'll click on that and make sure that you're signed up using your Gmail account. So what I need to do, I'll just type the prompt that like the type of image that I want to create. I'll just put in the prompt here. So I'll create I want image of a woman with her children okay, let me with five, okay, eight, let me put eight children on African market. Let me put African market background. Okay, so let me African market background, African. So once you have put in your prompt, you just click on create. It will start creating the just is analyzing. So let's wait and see what we are able to create. So you can actually do this with your phone or with your laptop, any of the device you can do that. So it's creating an amazing image. The image is analyzing. Wow. So so these examples of the image that they are showing me. So these are some of the images. So these are some of the images. So as you can see, these are the images that I have. So if you want to download, you can just click on this download icon here, or you can share it. You can just click on download icon, or you can share it. So if you want more specified image, you can actually, it depends on the kind of prompt that you put on the search bar. That depends on the kind of image that you will get. So if you find this particular video useful, please do well to share this with your friends so that they can be able to learn how to create this particular trending AI images. So thanks for watching this video.